Morning, happy Thursday. Hope you're wearing your blue shirt for Rainbow Week. For materials, at the top you're going to write Thursday, your name, and the date, which is 5/14/20. You're writing number 1 and number 2 with a line in the middle. On the back you're writing 3 and 4. And then you're writing exit ticket on the last page. Okay, let's go on to number 1. So you're drawing a box and then you're writing answer with a blank line. All right, so there are 17 people on the train. The train stops and 5 people get off. Then 20 people get on. Now how many people are on the train? So this is a 2-step problem. So you need to put a line in the middle. This is step 1 and this is step 2. So first there were 17 people on the train. It stops and 5 people get off. So are you going to add 5 people or subtract? You're going to subtract. So now you have to figure that out. What does 17 minus 5 equal? You can do that now. Okay, so I'm going to put 17 in my brain, 5 circles, and I'm going to count down since I'm subtracting. So 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12. Since we left off with 12, we're going to put an arrow and put 12 here. And we're going to read what happens next. Then 20 people get on. So are we going to add 20 people or subtract? What do you think? We're going to add. So plus 20 equals question mark. So now you can do a strategy to solve for this problem. All right, so I'm going to start actually with 20 in my brain. I'm going to do 1 10 stick and 2 ones. And I'm going to count up. So 20, 30, 31, 32. Okay, so now how many people are on the train? Okay, so 32 people are on the train. Okay, let's go on to question number 2. At the top, you're writing question mark minus 25 equals 56. All right, it says solve for the missing value, then write the fact family. Okay, so you got to solve this and then you need to write a fact family. So label your total and your parts. So remember your total goes before the minus sign and these are your parts. So when you don't have your total, you add your parts. Good. Okay, so let's solve that first. Solve the strategy, and then we'll go over it. Okay, so I'm putting 56 in my brain, and remember I'm adding because I don't have my total. 2 10 sticks, and then 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 56. We're adding to the tens place. 66. 76. 77. We're counting by ones now. 78. 79. 80. 81. Okay, so 81 was our missing total. Now we need to write a fact family. Remember, there's 4 number sentences that we need to write. 2 addition and 2 subtraction using these numbers. You can do that now. Okay, so to addition, we're adding our parts, so we can do 25 plus 56 equals 81. We can switch our parts to get to the same total. Then when we subtract, we start with our total. So 81 minus 25 equals 56. Again, we start with our total, but we switch these, so now it's minus 56 equals 25. Okay, so hopefully you had these fact families. And now we can get ready for our dance break. Okay, I hope you had fun with that dance break because we're going to go over something a little bit new today. So at the top of your paper, you're drawing a circle with a capital Q in it. Below that, you're drawing a circle with a capital N. Here, you're drawing a circle with a capital D. And then here, you're drawing a circle with a capital P. So capital Q, capital N, capital D, and capital P. Next to capital Q with the circle, you're writing name with a blank line, and then value with the blank line. You're going to do this for all of these pictures. So right next to here, you're going to do the same thing. So I'm going to keep this up for a second. I would actually pause the video right now if you need extra time to write all of this out. Okay, so write the name for each coin and its value. Now I know it doesn't look like the coins because it would be super hard for me to draw the exact pictures. So what I did is I draw a circle and I put a Q in there because this is the coin for quarter. This is the coin for nickel. This is the coin for dime. And this is the coin for penny. Okay? So I'm actually going to give you these names because this is the first time that you're seeing it. And right now on the screen, I'm going to show you pictures of what a quarter looks like, what a nickel looks like, what a dime looks like, and what a penny looks like. This is how you spell quarter. So take the time to write that down. And a quarter is 25 cents. That's the value of a quarter. Now the nickel is 5 cents. The nickel is just a little bit smaller than the quarter. The dime is the smallest coin, but it doesn't mean that it's worth less. So it's actually worth 10 cents. So this is the dime, and it's worth 10 cents. So just because it's small doesn't mean it's not worth a lot. Here we have the penny. So the penny is an easy one to see because the penny is not silver. It's actually a different color than all the other coins, okay? And it's only worth 1 cent. Okay, so let's go on to question number 4. We're really going to use this to help us, okay? So question number 4, I actually want you to write out the whole directions so that it's easier to know what you're going to do. It says, I have 5 dimes and each dime is worth 10 cents. How much money do I have? You can pause the video now so that you have time to write this whole sentence out. I have 5 dimes, and each dime is 10 cents. How much money do I have? Okay. We're going to use this to help us. So it's asking about dimes. We know a dime is 10 cents. It tells us in the directions. And we're going to try to solve how much 5 dimes would equal. Now, something that I like to use and to remind myself is that the 10 cents is kind of like 10 sticks. So it's kind of like you have 5 10 sticks. It would be the same thing. But we're going to show our work with dimes, okay? But it's the same thing as 10 sticks. So we have 5 dimes, right? Dime starts with a capital D. So we're doing 5 of them. So draw 5 of them on your paper now. One, two, three, four, 5. With a capital D in the middle. This is for dime. Each one is 10 cents. So we know we're going to count by tens. See if you can try counting by tens and see how much you get. Okay, let's see. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So we have 50 cents. Okay, nice job, everyone. Kiss your brains. So we learned a little bit about coins today, and we're gonna learn a little more every day, okay? So we're gonna learn how to add with each coin, okay? So for your exit ticket, I want you to use number 3 and number 4 to help you to answer it. So go to your exit ticket page now, and I'm gonna show you on the screen what your exit ticket is. Pause the video now if you need extra time. Okay, everyone, I hope you have a wonderful day. If you have any questions, you can always go back and rewatch the video, or you can ask your teachers, okay? This is something a little bit new, so I can see how it can be challenging. All right, everyone, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.